Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Back in the Lab. Today, Cousin Kyrie and I are joined by the scientists. We are working in the laboratory. Before we begin any work, we will wash our hands. Now that we have washed our hands, we are ready to begin research and experiments. We are wearing our goggles and have all of our tools and supplies. Now we are studying cells under the microscope. We are also studying water molecules. Now we are counting our microscopes so that we have enough for research. We need 6. Do you see 6 here? No, there are only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cousin Kyrie has gone to get another one. Now, do you see 6 microscopes here? Yes, there are 6 microscopes. Thank you, Cousin Kyrie. We now have to conduct research on tissue samples. The scientists are using magnifying glasses and microscopes to study the tissue samples. With our research, we will be able to help people become healthy. Our research will help doctors who work in hospitals treating patients. Our research will also help scientists who work all over the world. We will package our experiments so that they can be shipped to another laboratory. The work we completed in the laboratory is now being shipped. Thank you for your help with today's work in our laboratory. Cheers to helping others and wonderful science breakthroughs.